Today in front of me I have the Insta360 X4 action camera, and in this video I will unbox it and we'll together see what items, mounts and accessories this little camera comes with. So without any further shenanigans, let's jump right into it. Here I have my handy knife, which will help me to take this outer film off, the plastic film that the box comes in. So here we already have the manual, I would assume, or the service instruction. So maybe we'll see a bit later whether it is any useful. Yeah, the thing is, unfortunately this instruction is not in English, so I assume it will not be of much use to us here. So let's continue taking this protective film off, and perhaps the inside of this box will have another piece of paperwork, but this time in English. So now this peel should finally come right off, and it does. Before we actually open it, let's see what are the accessories claims, what we should get in the box, and then we'll see whether it checks. So here is the camera itself, the standard lens guards, Type-C to Type-C cable, protective pouch, lens cloth, quick start guide, and warranty card. Yep, so pretty standard set of items and accessories. Does not come with any additional mounts by the looks of it. And once we take off the top part of the box, we can already see this little beauty, the camera itself. It feels pretty sturdy, very well built. The materials are also on point, if you'd ask me. So yeah, I guess that's what it looks like from all sides. It is pretty rigid, as you can see by design, I guess, since it is supposed to be used in some somewhat extreme conditions, or perhaps doing some activities that may result in this camera being damaged or dropped. So it should be pretty resilient and well resistant by the looks of it. Here we also get the user manual, I'd assume, or box with all other stuff that is claimed here, perhaps. Yep. So now let's also open it. So you get the promised protective pouch, or just the case pouch that you can put your camera in and carry it around safely. Here is the paperwork, the safety guidelines, as well as waterproofing, what to know, and warranty card. Nice. As far as I can see, there is no, well, Type-C to Type-C cable. Maybe it is hidden in the pouch. Probably it is. So let's go ahead and take the pouch out of its protective film here. And indeed, inside you find the protective cover, the thermal grip cover, or this is the thermal grip cover, the cloth for wiping the lenses and keeping them clean. And here is the Type-C to Type-C cable. So yep, as promised, everything was delivered. All the accessories, all the paperwork. So I guess we can call it it here. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.